Hello, I'm John Gatmaytan, Chairman and nominee of Luna Securities.
Hi, George Wong. I am a co-founder and director at Luna Securities.
I am Marcos Arnel, co-founder and Chief Technology Officer of Luna Securities.
My name is Francis Diaz, President and co-founder of Luna Securities Inc.
Stockbrokering has been my career spanning 40 years. Luna is the eighth and is an experienced repository of the 7 institutions beforehand. Being a research analyst in 1987, it's something I still do today. This gave me historical knowledge of corporations from their financials, from their business cycle in correlation with economic cycles, and how management evolved over the years. Working with a number of research analysts, dealers, and traders gave me the knowledge of market trends, market sentiment, and market feel. I had a chance to do volunteer work for the capital markets development of the Philippines in 1990s, which helped frame the securities regulation code then. Lastly, the number of mentors and bosses I work with gave me different management styles and decision-making lessons that I experienced with them.
Even then, when I was a little boy, I saw how it started. It was really chalk and blackboard and cable and telex and telegram. Career started really immediately after college. So that was back in the early 90s. From that time until around 2010, when me and my business partner, John, who's also my co-founder here at Luna, put together a private clients group for the retail network. My whole career has really been institutional broking. So it's really dealing with fund managers here and abroad, dealing with institutions, larger firms. I've seen all the tough cycles in the Philippines. The Asian crisis in 1998, the debt crisis in 2001, 2002, global financial crisis, of course, in 2009. It was a very, very competitive industry. There were some awards, Euro Money and Asia Money, being rated as a top salesperson, top institutional salesperson. Having that professional background and having that professional spirit has allowed me to go through, with a certain discipline, with a certain mindset.
My journey began in the financial services in 1986 in New York City. I embarked my career as a computer programmer at this prominent Wall Street institution, Citibank. Over 36 years, I worked with various financial institutions, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Securities Industry Automation Corporation, which is the subsidiary of the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange. Throughout my career, I have been a consultant. I specialize in database architecture, data science, cloud architecture. Pretty much, it's fintech. One of my major accomplishments is the system that I designed, built, and engineered from the ground up. It is the risk analytics system. It is used to pass the Federal Reserve stress test. This is to reevaluate your risk exposure to ensure that these firms will avoid the collapse like the Lehman Brothers.
I got started in the stock market in not the most straightforward way. I have roughly a 25-year career in capital markets, and I actually got my start in investment banking shortly after graduating from school. From there, I actually found my way to wealth management and private banking before actually getting into the stock market space. There is one constant across my whole career, and that is I've always been in the relationship business. I tried giving an account, and I think I've managed 500 plus accounts in my whole entire life. You've got corporations, listed corporations, non-listed corporations, institutional accounts, corporate accounts set up to trade. I've got high net worth individuals, ultra high net worth individuals, retail accounts as well. It's great because there are nuances and there are differences in the way they handle things, their risk tolerances, their risk appetites. But at the end of the day, all customers just want proper care. That's really one of the things that I believe is most significant about my career, is that I have handled customers of all types, and I feel that I've delivered the kind of service, the kind of care, and the kind of commitment that I myself would want to be exposed to or be given.
In July 2019, the plan was to retire.
I thought I had hung up my gloves and was going to move on really to help my family with the family business, as well as help manage the family investing portfolio.
But there's always been this entrepreneurial spirit that I harbor, that at some point in time, I want to have my own business.
Moments of lunacy during the quarantine days gave birth to Luna Securities.
My business partners, John and George, gave me a call and said that they wanted to create something different, something revolutionary for stock market investing as regards to Filipino investors. I felt like my experience, my business partners' experiences put together, if we could distill that into a service, an app even, that it would be very, very powerful for the normal investor.
My childhood friend, my best friend, John Gatmaytan, he phoned me and he asked me, can you build a trading platform in the Philippines? I simply said, yes, sure, of course I can.
It started as a fintech company called Millennium Advisors and Management Corp. We made Luna Securities as our showcase of what this fintech company can do.
I started development, I started the design, the architecture of this 100% cloud-based trading platform ever to be built in the Philippines. We are the first one to build such a system.
One of the things that's great about Luna is that I think it's important that we understand who we're talking to, the audience. And the audience is the Filipino investor. You watching this right now, the Filipino investor, whether you're a mom doing part-time work and has a little bit of time, a little bit of cash to invest, the traveling salesperson going around, being all around Metro Manila and not having time to sit down during the trading day. You have perhaps newbie investors, maybe they're students, maybe they're recent graduates who just want to, start building their nest egg, start building their investing portfolio. Any user, any investor of any experience level, of any trading level of trading insight will find Luna useful and will find it powerful. You can actually trade on the go. It's a service that we really built for Filipinos.
Deep inside, that really is a big motivator. This really is a big motivator that you really want. Everyone has a stock market account. And hopefully that is something that we can now share to the public and share to all the new clients that we will have an opportunity to serve in Luna Securities.
We are really in it for all of you, and we really, really are excited for you guys to see what we have in store for you guys.